Welcome to the healthy side. In this video, we will tell you how to rebuild your strength post-COVID. Since the pandemic started, we have faced many challenges. Even after fighting for 2 years, we are yet to win the COVID battle. People are still getting sick and are yet to understand the virus and its effect completely. Thanks to vaccines, today the symptoms are milder. However, your body has already fought a long and tiring battle. COVID or no COVID, your body has kept you safe, helped you recover, and endured vaccinations. It's time to replenish its strength. Before we tell you how, please like, share, and subscribe to Incense for such authentic content. We know that right nutrition is the key to rebuild our strength, which is why we have asked Ankita Vaidya, a certified nutritionist, to list down foods that can help us rebuild our strength. So let's get started. Post-COVID, our immunity is at an all-time low. To get our strength back on track, we need to eat foods that can act as building blocks for our body. So let's start with the power of protein. Your body needs protein to help build and repair muscle, skin, and other body tissues. Protein also helps fight infection, balance body fluid, and carry oxygen through your body. Components of protein also help in forming hormones, which in turn helps to regulate body's metabolism. COVID is an inflammatory disease, and proteins help in decreasing this inflammation, which limits the damage caused to your lungs. Protein-packed foods that you can include in your diet are paneer, eggs, fish, yogurt, avocados, and if you don't have any, just compensate with good old milk. First step to rebuild your strength is to plan your protein intake today. Now let's move to carbs because carbs are necessary to maintain your energy levels. Your body breaks down the carbs into glucose, which is the main source of energy for your body's cells, tissues, and organs. Carbs also have fibers which help in improving immunity by regular bowel movements. Fatigue is the most common symptom of COVID and may last post-COVID too. Adding simple carbs like jaggery, honey, rice, and fruits can combat fatigue. Other forms of carbs can also be added to your diet through oats, millets, wheat, and multigrain rotis. With carb, you have got the energy, but now your body needs fats. Yes, you heard it right, fats. Essential fats are extremely important for brain functioning, hormone production, regulating liver function, blood pressure, and keeping your skin and hair healthy. Fats are unnecessarily defamed. They are one of the essential nutrients for your body. The only catch is that you should know the difference between good and bad fats. And most importantly, how much to consume. There are two primary essential fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. You cannot get these only from butter, oil, and other traditionally known fats. To harness the power of essential fats, you must include sunflower seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds in your diet. Remember, go for good fats. Pro tip, you can even add these to smoothies because smoothies will smoothen your gut health. Talking more about gut health, the right balance of pre and probiotics is its wealth. Due to medicinal overload and loss of appetite in most COVID cases, gut health is affected. Hence, eating the right balance of pre and probiotics is very crucial. Pre and probiotics help in vitamin synthesis, improve and boost immunity, help in decreasing symptoms of depression, decrease gut infections and allergic reactions, and reduce inflammation. Some of the best sources of pre and probiotics are onion, garlic, apple, banana, and mango. Next up, let's talk about anti-inflammatory and immune boosting foods. your white cells give a tough fight to infections causing overall inflammation. But as every problem has a solution, inflammation has too. Just add these mouth-watering yummies to your snack time. Munch on berries, sprouts, pineapple, avocado, and add green tea to your snack time. Last but not the least, hydration. Okay, so we know that you are tired of hearing drink more water, drink more water. But what if we tell you that hydration is just not about drinking water? You can quench your thirst with chas, infused water, juices, green tea, herbal tea, kukum sharbat, coconut water, or even nimbu pani. Hey, how about giving your health an overall boost? Use these 3 power healers from Ayurveda, Ashwagandha, Brahmi, and Tulsi in your daily routine. Now that you know what to eat to gain strength post-COVID, make sure you plan your meals well. Before we bid you all adieu, one final recommendation is to consult a certified nutritionist so that you get a well-curated plan as per your individual needs. Remember, all bodies are different and equally special. Share this video with your loved ones to help them rebuild and maintain their health. And for such authentic health tips, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to N-Sense and press the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. We post such content every week. Thank you for watching N-Sense.